Hello, brilliant jewelry channel. Welcome to this new video. We're going to need images, so let's go. Hello, Gemini. I need a Celtic cross design. This is a nice cross, but I need that wonderful cross in close up with a solid background so I can see the details on the cross. Please, a vertical image. No, Gemini, in a close-up vertical image. So here I'm going to re-upload the image that was giving good results and ask for the corrections that I need again so we can see what we get. Because here Gemini decided to change the design somehow, and I think the goal is achieved. After all, I didn't show the entire process in the video because it's not worth it. Just know that AI goes crazy, can be frustrating. Let's drag and drop the image into HitM 3D, loading the image. So the default settings, remove background, yes. I don't want the image enhancement. Let's turn it off. Model version 2.1, the newest one. Model type, quality, that's very important for 3D jewelry, 3D printing, and 3D jewelry rendering. Only the geometry, license private, and then here in advanced, we're going to use the maximum output face count, 3 million faces. That won't change the cost. This model, 30 credits, and let's go. Generate. It's going to take a couple of minutes, so let's go grab a coffee and be happy. My goodness. Okay, so the result is so effing bad. I can't even complete this tutorial. The goal of my video today was to create this Celtic cross. Then I was going to do an animal like a panther with diamonds. And then I was going to create a Spartan helmet with black diamonds and rubies on the crest. And this is just BS, totally useless. This took around 15 minutes. I tried version 2.1, then version 2, and each version, even the newest one, is worse than the other. And this is a sponsored video. So, well, I guess I'm not getting paid because I'm here to tell things as they are, and this HitM 3D platform is just getting worse and worse. So this is the result of version 2, completely useless. So remember that this is the reference image and this is the result. It's not even doing the central triskelion properly at all, but I mean at all. This cross simply looks AI generated. And as almost always, AI is a complete fuck up. So I hope, my dear followers, you enjoyed this video. Obviously, HitM 3D won't enjoy this video because they sponsor the credits for me. But man, if I was paying to get this after losing hours and hours of work preparing a perfect reference image to get this lousy mesh, I would be pretty angry. And well, I'm not angry because I'm not paying. But honestly, AI has such a long way to go, and that's completely on them. I really tried so many times to make it work that I'm just tired of this useless tool. And yeah, it's true. I made another video, and sometimes it does work. And yes, it's great. It's pretty fun, interesting, all you want. I said it. But no, man, this is not acceptable. Waste of time, waste of money. And it's just, as always, baffling that the world is investing billions and trillions of dollars into this joke of a technology. The world is just dumber and dumber because of it. So the great news is that I'm keeping my job for a long time ahead. So rejoice. Keep studying jewelry drawing, jewelry making, 3D jewelry, 3D printing, and manufacturing jewelry. Make money the good old way. My job is definitely getting more and more important. And here, this model was the result of the version 2.1, also a complete fuck up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have no idea what HitM 3D will think of my video, but that's the honest experience with the platform as of today. My name is Damien Rohrbach, the Jewelry Jedi, and I'm going to end this video because I've been working 2 days straight trying to make a proper, clean, sponsored video for the Hidden 3D platform. Honestly, it's simply impossible. The results are utter shit. I think that's a fucking waste of time. I have better things to do. I would have modeled this cross myself in a couple of hours and I would have been paid already. So that's the honest review that Hidden 3D deserves. Shame on them. Good news for 3D jewelry designers. It's always important to study the good old ways and jewelry craftsmanship over years and years of proper training. AI mesh generation is really far from working. Computers are not always the solution. Have a nice day, take care, and see you soon.